Hey YouTube, how we doing today? We have a historic day for you here on the channel. That is a box I never, ever, ever thought would be on my channel. There's a hell of a story behind this one, so stay tuned after we roll the intro, and you're gonna love this video. I guarantee that. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to take just one moment before we get into the fun and say thank you so much for viewing this video. I know there's a lot of options out there on YouTube, but I'm very, very grateful you chose one of mine. Now, take a look right down here for you first-timers and you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe. Going to see a little channel watermark sitting right there. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early because you're going to love yourself for it. We're growing. We're having a lot of fun. And I really want you along for the ride. All right, guys. No, you're not dreaming. We are actually going to look at a Benchmade blade here on the channel. I know, right? I swear to God I'd never be able to afford one. And here's the best part. I didn't buy this blade. I have an incredible viewer out there by the name of Chris Rayner, who is a very long-time subscriber, who won this thing in a Facebook group, I think he said, or like a YouTube contest, whatever. He won it. He already has one of these, and he thought about paying it forward, and he was very, very kind and sent it to me. Blew me away. I got a Facebook message from him going, dude, need your address. I'm going to send you something to review. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm like, do you want it back when I'm done? You know, and he's like, well, you know, I'm going to be a little cryptic here. There's a little note in there. And man, that note hit me right in the feels. Now, if you don't remember Chris, that's okay. I'm going to leave a card right up here for a video I did for his kids that says a first responder needs our help. Y'all might want to check that one out, okay? Chris, you're a wonderful, beautiful man, dude. And I'm loving what you did for me. And this video is dedicated to you. All right, guys, now for the fun, because I know I'm going to get a bunch of comments going, shut the fuck up, show me the knife. Here we go. Today, we're going to take a look at the Benchmade Bugout 535. Now, here's the fun part for me. All right, seeing how I've never been able to do this with the channel, it came with the great info, you know, your warranty info and everything else, how to clean. I love the fact that it came with like this little foam insert thing to protect the blade. And its own little carrying case. Well, I should say carrying bag, which was really, really cool. You know, nothing really huge on the box. Okay. So here it is. I simply love this thing. I have been massively playing with the access lock since I got it. The thing is just freaking unbelievable. Like Chris warned me, I now have an adult fidget spinner, which just makes me laugh my butt off. I love how lightweight it is. I love the blade. I love the blade steel. I love how it feels in the hand. I love the fact that even after adding a lanyard to it, it doesn't feel like it's unbalanced. It is just freaking beautiful. All right, now let's get into the fun part. It's got an overall length of 7.46 inches. The blade is 3.24. Enclosed, it's 4.22. It has a freaking lightweight to it of 1.85 ounces. Have a plain edge, drop point style with a flat grind, and the blade steel is CPM S30V with a 58 to 60 Rockwell rating. Got a little stainless steel frame in here up towards the top. You can see it kind of right down in there. It does have that little bit of jimping in there that you can almost not feel because it's kind of flush, but it does give you a little bite. The blade is coated with a smoke gray chromium nitride coating. That's just redundant, but still kind of like Gerber coating it with that trinium nitride stuff, but it's all right. Now it's got a they call it Ranger Green polymer handle, which is fine by me. It looks great to me. It almost reminds me seriously of some OD green, and that's perfectly okay. It does have a reversible pocket clip, so you can carry it left-hand style, right-hand style. And it is a very deep carry. Seriously, it really is. It's got your dual thumb studs. And like I said, that axis lock is just seriously freaking beautiful. It is made out of my old home state of Oregon in Oregon City. Okay, now for the really fun part. Seriously, something I never thought I'd be doing on my channel. Chris, I love you, you bastard, you. Just seriously, right out of the box. Oh, all right, let's go for that small one. I went too deep. Okay, well, paper doesn't seem like it's moving. Do the usual test. Nothing there. Sweet. Alright, paracord. Yeah, what a surprise. Just pulled right through. Slice test. No biggie. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Right through it. Bam, that was quick. Okay, now, I found it on 3 areas where you're going to commonly look. Over on Amazon, Benchmade, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, this model is going to run you $136. Benchmade, $160. And on Amazon, anywhere between how you figure it out and whatever you want to put in it, $131 to $136. It's been reviewed 57 times on Blade HQ and got a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. 14 times on Benchmade, 4 out of 5 stars. And 345 on Amazon with a 4.6 out of 5. Now, I ain't gonna ask. It is a noise. No F-bombs on this guy. Noise. But, because I always do this, and it's a lot of fun for me, I want to know all of your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Let's get a good discussion going on this one, because this is a blade. You can call it a grail blade if you want to. I never ever thought I would have this on my channel. I just never did. I am blown away by the generosity of you, Chris. You're an amazing man, dude. I mean, your wife could do better, but, you know, hey. That's a standard joke, guys. He's a first responder. He's going to laugh his tail off, all right? I'm not being insulting to him. He's a wonderful family man, has some wonderful children, and has been a wonderful friend since, wonderful friend to the channel since I've gotten to know him. So, yes, you can call this the Chris Rainer tribute video. I don't care. We've got a Benchmade on the channel. Well, this thing is just sweet. Alright. So now that I've been gushing for a little while, my kids are kind of smiling and laughing at me. I mean, you should see the brat. She's got this huge smile, and the monkey's like, what's happened to my dad? Alright. So let's get the wrap up going. Man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, like I said, today was a bit of a treat. There's a Benchmade on my channel. I know this video felt a little rushed because, man, I just... Yes, my hyperspastic attitude is taking over. Forgive me. But I'm very grateful for the time that you gave me today. Now, hopefully I've earned more of it with my wackiness, because trust me, we've got a lot of interesting things happening here on the channel. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it as well, take a look right down, ooh, there. Yeah, down there. Gonna be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, it should bring you right, it should say click on it, it should bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. A grail blade from an incredible viewer. Thank you so much for watching this really weird one today, and I hope all of you have a wonderful day.